My dear friend Luke Hines is here and he's going to be cooking something from his brand new book, his 12th book, Barbecue This.
So we're going to make my chicken souvlaki, where you create the flatbreads from scratch. They're gluten-free, marinate the chicken and a beautiful salad to go on top. It doesn't get better than this.
Sounds good. Shall I start with the chicken?
All right, so if you can marinate that with the lemon juice, the oregano and the garlic, I'm going to show you how to make the simplest flatbreads that you can use in all types of recipes. So with the bread, all you need to do is combine your wet ingredients. I'm going to put that in here, this jug, which I'm going to end up whisking in, and you'll see why. And then equal parts water.
I think there's going to be a lot of people out there that want to know how to make gluten-free flatbreads.
I actually make incredible tacos out of them.
Wow.
Yeah, so it really depends on what spices you add to the mix. Now we're going to use oregano today, so I'll put the oregano in there. That's going to give it a whole lot of flavour. Now your two binding agents are both gluten-free, so there's almond meal and there's tapioca, also known as arrowroot flour.
Okay.
Now the reason I use this is it helps things bind really, really well. So in with the arrowroot and almond meal and give it a mix. I'm just going to whisk this until it's smooth, and don't be afraid if your batter is actually quite watery, because the thinner your batter, the crispier it's going to become when it hits that pan. Make sure your pan is nice and greased, so I'm going to use a good coconut oil here.
And I'm just finishing this off with just a splash of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. And do you want me to thread these onto these metal skewers?
Perfect, that'd be great. All right, so the coconut oil's melted down beautifully. I'm going to pour this into the middle of the pan, and you just want to see that bubble up when it hits the heat. And then I like to make sure that some of that oil hits the edges and it kind of seals the edges off and starts to bubble really beautifully. Now, the temptation with making any type of flatbread or pancake is to flip it really soon, because you want to get on with eating the dish. It's really important you give these time to cook through. Because it's quite a watery batter, they're quite sensitive until they really cook and bind. So just watch it, it's not going to burn. It takes a lot to burn the arrowroot.
Well, we do have time because we've got to skewer all of this meat on and get it on the grill.
Sounds good to me. This flatbread's done, so I'm going to make a few more. Let's get the chicken on, and whilst I do that, can you whip up the salad and smash the avocado?
Can do.
All right, let's do it. Juzzy, chicken is done and looking incredible.
Yep. And these, I'm so impressed. They really look like pita breads.
You.
They're crispy.
Yes.
Love it.
All right, so you've done a really good job with the smashed avo. You could use tzatziki, but I think this is a really quick alternative.
Okay, just a little smear.
Yeah, and then the chicken, that piece has got your name all over it.
Oh, okay. Straight in the middle. Should we just pull it straight off the skewer?
Yeah, straight off the skewer. Load it up with some salad.
Okay, I've got to mix this salad. So in there, the tomatoes, red onion, cucumber, parsley. Nice.
So simple. Good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, pinch of salt. It's all you need.
This is so healthy. It's that barbecue style food. I love it.
All right. The proof is in the taste.
Have a taste?
Give it a crack.
Oh, I'm going to get around this one.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's juicy, moist, but there's crispy in there as well, and the salad really balances out, nice and fresh.
They are the best. I'm not going to use normal pita anymore. I'm going to use your recipe. It's so good, and that chicken caramelised. I love it. I love your book too.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Team effort, guys.